Spline. Spline is special function defined piecewise by polynomial. In the computer science subfield of computer aided design and graphics, the term spline more often refers to a polynomial parametric curve. The term spline is used to refer to various function classes used in applications requiring data interpolation and/or smoothing. The function for spline interpolation is usually set as the proper step minimizer out of wrongness. Rendering. Rendering is the final process of the whole process of modeling or computer animation. Spline rendering. It is a technique for interpolating data or smoothing in the final process to produce an overall output by giving smooth purity to each curve.
Example of spline rendering. Lots of applications that implement this spline rendering technique. We will explain one of the applications using spline rendering technique, that is AutoCAD by Autodesk. Renderable spline modifier. The renderable spline modifier lets you set the renderable properties of a spline object without the need to convert an object into an editable spline. This is very useful with the splines you have connected from AutoCAD. It also allows you to render multiple splines at once. This is how to use spline rendering on AutoCAD application. Select a shape, modify panel, modifier list, and renderable spline.
Option on renderable spline modifier. Enable in renderer, use viewport setting, generate mapping chords, real world map size, radial, rectangular, auto smooth, threshold. Enable in renderer. To render the object into a 3D mesh using radial or rectangular parameter. Use viewport. Display object in viewport as 3D mesh by using radial or rectangular parameters before rendered. Use viewport setting. Can make you change the radial settings and rectangular parameters in the viewport and display them. Generate mapping chords. To display the object coordinate points. Generate mapping chords. To display the object coordinate points. Real world map size serves to map the texture of the object to be used. Scale is set based on the original scale setting. Viewport or renderer. Viewport. If you select this radial or rectangular parameter, will be displayed on the viewport. Renderer. If you select this radial or rectangular parameter, will be displayed in viewport or when rendered.
Radial. Display the spline as a 3D object with a circular cross-section. Thickness. Specify the large diameter. Default is 1. Range 0 to 100 million. Sides. Specify the number of sides on the spline mesh in the viewport. Angle. Adjust the degree or rotation of the cross-section. Rectangular. Display the spline as a 3D object with a rectangular shape cross-section. Length. Determine the length of the cross-section along the y-axis. Width. Specify the length of the cross-section along the x-axis. Angle. Determine the degree or rotation of the cross-section. Aspect. To adjust the aspect ratio of the cross-section. Auto smooth. 2D corners that have been set in the default setting. Auto smoothing smooth corners based on two angles between the spline segments. Default. Specify the default of the default in degrees. each of the two adjacent spline segments is placed in one group and their angle is less than their salt angle, then they will be placed at one point.